If you think budgeting only works when you have enough money, you've already lost. Because budgeting is not about how much you make, it's about how much control you have. And here's the uncomfortable truth. If you can't manage $500, you won't magically manage $5,000. Today, I'll show you 10 simple budgeting tips for 2026, designed specifically for people who feel like they don't have enough money to even start. No complicated spreadsheets, no unrealistic savings goals, just practical moves. Let's fix this. Before tip number 1, understand this. Budgeting when you're broke feels pointless, but budgeting when you're broke is when it matters most. When money is tight, every dollar has power, and 2026 is not forgiving. Subscriptions are everywhere, buy now, pay later is normal, digital spending is invisible. If you don't track it, you'll bleed money silently. The 10 easy budgeting tips. 1. Track before you cut. Don't reduce spending yet. First, track 30 days. Every rupee, every dollar, every tap. You can't improve what you don't measure. Most people are shocked by food delivery, micro-subscriptions, random impulse buys. Awareness creates change automatically. 2. Use the 3-bucket method. Forget complex budgeting rules. Just use 3 categories. 1. Survival, rent, food, bills. 2. Future, savings, debt payoff. 3. Lifestyle, wants. That's it. If money is tight, survival comes first. Future gets something, even 5%. Lifestyle gets what's left. Simple beats perfect. 3. Start with 1% saving. If you make $500, save $5. That sounds small. Good, because consistency beats intensity. Your brain resists big change. It accepts tiny change. 1% today, 3% next month, 5% later. Progress compounds. 4. Make your money visible. In 2026, spending is frictionless, so add friction. Use separate savings account, cash for discretionary spending, automatic transfers on payday. When savings disappear first, you adapt to what's left, not the other way around. 5. Kill one expense, not all. Don't cancel everything. Just pick one meaningful leak. Maybe one subscription, one weekend eating habit, one impulse category. Cutting one thing builds confidence. Confidence builds momentum. 6. Use the 24-hour rule. Impulse spending destroys small budgets. New rule: if it's not essential, wait 24 hours. Most urges disappear. Desire fades, logic returns. This one rule alone can save hundreds per year. 7. Budget weekly, not monthly. Monthly budgeting feels overwhelming when money is tight, so shrink the game. Budget weekly. Ask, what does this week require? Smaller time frames feel manageable, and manageable systems stick. 8. Increase income by $100. Yes, budgeting matters, but tiny income boosts change everything. Ask yourself, how can I make an extra $100 this month? Freelance, sell unused items, offer a skill, overtime, micro gigs. An extra $100 in a small budget is massive leverage. 9. Build a mini emergency fund first. Not $10,000, not 6 months of expenses, just $300 to $500. Because when small emergencies hit, people use credit, and debt kills budgets. Protection before growth. Always. 10. Focus on identity, not math. Here's the real secret. Budgeting isn't about spreadsheets, it's about identity. Instead of saying, I'm trying to save money, say, I am someone who manages money well. Behavior follows identity. Every small disciplined action reinforces that identity, and over time, you don't force budgeting, you become someone who budgets. Let me tell you something important. Budgeting with little money is harder. It requires more discipline, more awareness, more intention.